On the one side, Vasundhara Pathak Masudi, advocate of the Supreme Court, Advaita Kala, author and scriptwriter, Utsav Vance, petitioner, lawyer, in this case, almost an activist in this case. T.R. Kakka, former police commissioner of Delhi, on the other side says, not much. You can't take this at face value. Sukhbir Singh Huda, advocate, and he is also the spokesperson and vice president of the Akhil Bharatiya Jat Mahasabha. And my first question is to Jawahar Yadav. Now, Jawahar Yadav is now with the BJP full-time. He's a former officer in special duty to the Chief Minister of Haryana, Mr. Khattar. What hypocrisy, double standards, Jawahar Yadav. It was the Vasundhara Raje government of the BJP in Rajasthan.
आपकी सोच
which जरा सवाल तो पूछो, सुन लीजिए. आप बिना सवाल सुने इस तरह से जंप मत कीजिए. गलती आप लोगों ने की है, कवर अप हो रहा है, हिपोक्रेसी है, डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स है. सवाल ले लीजिए, उसके बाद उत्सव बैंस रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे. उत्सव बैंस, प्लीज लिसन टू हिम केयरफुली बिकॉज यू विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू हिम. I'll only say double standards is something I don't accept. Vasundhara Raje demanded a CBI inquiry into the rape allegations against Congress leader Babulal Nagar. BJP's Prakash Javadekar in 2013 wanted a CBI investigation in the Bhandara case of the 3 Dalit girls who were raped and murdered, while Smriti Irani was slamming the Congress government for what happened. Nearly 6 days back, your party in Uttar Pradesh, the BJP, demanded a CBI inquiry into the rape of a 22-year-old woman in Balia. In West Bengal, the BJP said the CBI should investigate the alleged rape of a 70-year-old nun in Nadia district. The BJP in Uttarakhand in December last year called for a CBI investigation in the alleged rape of a physically handicapped Nari Niketan inmate. Now, in this particular case, when there is such a serious allegation of gang rape, and when there are eyewitness accounts, activists who are speaking, enough accounts coming out in the media, leading newspaper of Haryana has carried investigative reports, the Tribune, in this case. इस बार आप चुप रहे हैं. This is utter and complete hypocrisy. Because if women have been gang raped,
मैं उत्तर देना शुरू करूं?
Towards the end of the Jat protest, उत्तर तो देंगे, सुन तो लीजिए. सुन तो लीजिए. Why are you? No, आप cover up क्यों कर रहे हैं?
आपका समझ में आ गया, उत्तर ले लीजिए.
आप cover up क्यों कर रहे हैं? Why are you covering this up, Jawahar Yadav? Please.
अरे ये अब जहां तक आपने इतने भारी भरकम शब्दों का किया, हरियाणा के संदर्भ में मैं सीधा सीधा विषय पे आता हूं. अगर जो घटना की आप जिक्र कर रहे हैं, आपके पास कोई एक प्रत्यक्ष एविडेंस है? कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति आपको मिला जिसने ये कहा कि मेरे साथ कोई छेड़छाड़ हुई या रेप हुआ? कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति मिला जिसने कहा
एविडेंस है,
आंखों से देखा?
अर्नब कैन आई कमेंट?
उसके बावजूद भी
अर्नब कैन आई कमेंट?
सुन लीजिए. अरे आप सुनिए तो सही ना. आप जब आप बोल रहे थे, मैं बोल रहा था क्या? अब आप सुनेंगे तो सही, मुझे पूरी बात कर लेने दीजिए. उसके बावजूद भी सरकार ने, अगर अखबार में ये छपा, उसके बाद जब अखबार में ये छपा तो सरकार ने अपने सीनियर आईएएस अधिकारी और एक आईजी को वहां पर भेजा कि आप तथ्यों की जानकारी लेके आइए. उनके अनुसार वहां ऐसा कुछ नहीं निकला.
आपका आईजी ड्रा धमका रहा है आई विटनेसेस को.
पुलिस अधिकारी,
आप झूठ बोलना बंद कर दीजिए. आपका आईजी ड्रा धमका रहा है आई विटनेसेस को. ट्रिब्यून चैनल को आज धमकाया जा रहा है. कल आई विटनेसेस थे और कल विक्टिम्स होंगे.
आपके सब
आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
बोलना नहीं आता.
आईजी धमका रहे हैं.
बोलना नहीं आता क्या? ये क्या होता है कि झूठ बोल रहे हैं? झूठ आप बोल रहे हैं. कैसे बोल रहे हैं आप लोगों को? आप ये कैसे करें? आप ये कैसे करें कि झूठ बोल रहे हैं? आपको सुनने का अधिकार है. आप मुझे झूठा नहीं करा सकते. आप मुझे झूठा नहीं करा सकते.
Okay, not two at a time.
मुझे झूठा कहने का.
Not two at a time. 1 second. 1 second. Utsav, please wait. Utsav, please wait. Utsav, रुकिए. Please wait. Please wait. 1 second. Jawahar, calm down. Jawahar Yadav, आप जरा शांत हो जाइए. आप शांत हो जाइए.
आप मुझे झूठा कैसे कह सकते हैं?
आप शांत, आप सुन नहीं रहे हैं. जवाहर यादव, आप सुनिए.
सहमत है या सहमत है? नहीं, आपने मुझे झूठा कैसे कहा?
जवाहर यादव, आप सुनेंगे.
आपने मुझे झूठा कहा. आप मेरी बात से सहमत है या नहीं, अलग बात है.
आप दूसरों की बात सुनेंगे. Will you listen?
अपने शब्द वापस लीजिए।
अच्छा, will you?
मुझे झूठा कहा वो शब्द वापस लीजिए।
1 minute, जवाहर यादव, आप बात को दोहराइए मत। आपकी बात मैं सुन चुका हूं, अभी दूसरे साइड को बोलने दीजिए।
आपने मुझे झूठा कैसे कहा?
अरे यार,
आपने मुझे झूठा कैसे कहा?
You think is that the bigger issue?
आप मुझसे सहमत?
Is that the bigger issue? That is the bigger issue. Is that the bigger issue?
आप मुझे
Vasundhara Masudi is responding. Vasundhara Masudi.
Vasundhara
Masudi कह रही है आपसे, सुनिए आप।
बात को मानिए, परंतु आप मुझे झूठा कैसे कह रहे हैं?
जवाहर यादव, आप प्लीज लिसन टू द अदर साइड। आप बेवजह उत्तेजित हो रहे हैं। आप जरा वसुंधरा मसूदी को सुनिए। वसुंधरा मसूदी,
आप लोगों को किस लिए बैठाते हैं डिबेट में? आप डिबेट नहीं करते।
I don't understand.
आप सुन तो लीजिए।
I don't understand why is he so defensive right now?
Only Vasundhara
Is he defensive or offensive?
अरे ये आप मेरी बात से सहमत है, आप मुझसे सहमत है या नहीं अलग बात है, परंतु आप मुझे झूठा।
You are talking about evidence.
आप मुझसे मेरी बात को मत मानिए, पर मुझे झूठा कैसे कहेंगे?
No, you are talking about आप प्रमाणों की बात कर रहे हैं। जांच के लिए प्रमाण की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। प्रमाण जो है वो जांच के निष्कर्ष में निकले जाते हैं। तो जांच से पहले किस प्रमाण की आपको आवश्यकता है, आप मुझे बताइए। जांच इसीलिए कराई जानी चाहिए और जांच के दौरान प्रमाणों के ऊपर फोकस करना चाहिए। यानी कि प्रमाण नहीं है तो जांच नहीं होगी।
यस, इसका उत्तर सुन लीजिए। आपके
कहने का मतलब है कि प्रमाण नहीं है तो जांच नहीं होगी। दिस इज व्हाट यू ट्राई टू मीन।
मेरे कहने का मतलब मैं बताऊंगा, आप डिसाइड मत कीजिए।
योर इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिपेंड्स ऑन द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ एविडेंस। No, what you are trying to say, what you are trying to say that investigation depends on evidence.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, हमारी सरकार ने
को भेजा वहां पर। If you do not have any evidence, you will not hold investigation. This is what you want to say.
हम कर रहे हैं, सुनिए उसको। आपकी बात और हमारी भावना सेम है। अगर मैं ये कह रहा हूं, आपसे मैं असहमत नहीं हूं बिल्कुल भी। हमारी सरकार बिल्कुल इसकी जांच कर रही है। हमने एक आईएएस अधिकारी को भेजा, एक हमने आईजी को भेजा। आज हमने एक आईजी वुमेन्स है, जो आईजी क्राइम महिला, उसकी जिम्मेवारी लगाई।
ओके, नाउ जवाहर यादव, आई हैव टू गो टू द अदर्स।
मैं ओनर आपको बता,
जवाहर यादव,
कोई भी दोषी होगा उसको सजा मिलेगी।
जवाहर यादव, नाउ आपने बहुत बोल लिया। 4 पैनलिस्ट है, उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोला। अब जरा दूसरों को भी मौका दीजिए। द क्वेश्चन
मैं माफी चाहती हूँ कि आप संतुष्ट जवाब नहीं दे पा रहे। आप सिर्फ कवर अप कर रहे हैं।
व्यूअर्स,
आपको 5 दिन लग गए नींद जागने के लिए।
Viewers, this is what has been reported in the Tribune. I am now reading out what has been reported in the Tribune. What has been reported in the Tribune is that 4 days ago, in the wee hours of Monday morning, several women who were attempting to flee a riotous area of the state were allegedly dragged out of their vehicles and into the nearby fields where they were raped. What has been reported is that 4 days ago, on the National Highway of India, while families were trying to get to areas of safety, some women who could not flee were sexually assaulted. T.R. Kakkar and Sukhbir Singh Hooda were sexually assaulted by approximately 30 unidentified goons. And Mr. Hooda, that youth hid themselves in the fields until the police had left the spot, and later came out and threw stones at vehicles so that the occupants in them would flee, leaving some helpless women trapped and later on sexually assaulting them. Mr. Hooda, instead of covering up, any government should immediately go to the root of this, should launch an investigation, should require no prodding from agencies, activists or the media. If women have been treated in this manner, you can't cover this up, Mr. Hooda. अगर ये हुआ है,
अर्णव जी,
अगर ये हुआ है, इसको कवर अप नहीं किया जा सकता।
अर्णव जी, we strongly condemn this. We strongly condemn this. Me and my community is strongly opposing this. We welcome. We demand from the state government for CBI inquiry, NI inquiry, or under the any sitting justice of Punjab or Haryana High Court for judicial inquiry. Number two, as far as my community is concerned, we are a very hard-working community and very patriotic. We are a 1.5% of this country.
It is not about your community. I am not about your community.
The field, we are the number one.
It is
my community is never involved in this kind of a heinous crime.
Not about
my community is not involved in this.
It is not about the Jat community. It is about the cover-up. It is. I refuse to accept, and I want to get Advaita Kala on this. With T.R. Thakkar on the other side.
One second.
No,
one second.
No, for whatever reasons. Some people are saying. Some people.
This incident happened is reported on February 22nd of February.
Right.
But army was deployed on 20th February. And
so what?
If you see, there was the in charge for the army, Mr. Chima, and Colonel B.K. Panda were the in charge for Sonipat area. They have reported to their Western Command, as per the report asked by the Western Command, that there is no incident happened like this way. You can't put
there you have the judgment. Advaita Kala.
We should respect to the army.
That's the problem.
We are arguing for speculation.
No, I have a small question.
There is no strong evidence for this.
I have a small question, Mr. Goswami.
Yes, Vasundhara.
Arnav, we don't have a strong, we don't have a strong evidence to debate on this rape kind of issue.
Yes,
there may be other issues. Chhed-chhad ka issue ho sakta, but as far as things are concerned, this has not happened.
Mr. Huda, women were hiding for hours near water tanks till daybreak because they were afraid of these gundas on the prowl. Do you even know the facts? On news of the alleged gang rape, eyewitnesses claim that district officials, on arriving at the spot, told the victims' families, "Inhe le jaiye." Instead of taking action, instead of registering a case, am I right, Utsav? They said, "Inko le jaiye."
No, I have a very specific question.
Exactly.
Exactly. There should be.
Vasundhara.
Someone should come on the camera also. We have seen your reports.
When the criminal law, and also by virtue of a Supreme Court judgment, it is very clear and an established law that whenever there is an allegation of a sexual violence, without going into the merits of the complaint, without going into the truthfulness of the complaint, there must be an immediate FIR. What prevented the state to go there and conduct the inquiry forthwith? This is my question.
Where is the state? I want to get Advaita on one side and I want to get Jawahar Yadav on the other. You see, let me say this. There are visuals of women's clothes, torn clothes, strewn across the field where the incident happened. The state government is sleeping for the last 4 days and Jawahar Yadav is getting angry on television. देखिए जवाहर यादव कितना गुस्सा हो रहे हैं. जो हुआ उस पे जवाहर यादव को गुस्सा नहीं है. मगर अगर उनको पूछे कि आपके राज्य सरकार ने क्या किया तो इतने उत्तेजित हो जाएंगे कि मुझे लगता है आप एक्सप्लोर कर जाएंगे टेलीविजन पर.
आप पर्सनली बातें मत कीजिए.
मैं पर्सनली कुछ नहीं कह रहा.
मिस्टर अन्नाव, आपके साथ ये गलतफहमी है कि आपको लगता है जो आप ठीक है. आप मुझे पर्सनली कह रहे हैं. आप डिबेट कीजिए मुझसे.
नहीं कहता, कभी नहीं.
आप मुझसे डिबेट कीजिए.
मैं डिबेट कर.
आप हमेशा किसी
मैं डिबेट कर.
आप क्वेश्चन कीजिए, मैं उसका आंसर दूंगा.
अच्छा सवाल.
Let's give him some fact.
ओके. अद्वैता काला है, कुछ कहना चाहती है आपसे. अद्वैता काला है, लेखिका है. इस मामले पे उनकी थोड़ी जानकारी है. आप बुरा ना माने और आप अगर इस तरह से भड़क ना जाए. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि आप असली में भड़क रहे हैं कि आप भड़कने का नाटक कर रहे हैं. आप सुनिए अद्वैता काला जो कह रही है आपसे. अद्वैता काला पूछिए.
अरे आप अपना
आस्क द क्वेश्चन. अद्वैता काला इज आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन. अरे शांत हो जाइए.
I think it's very clear. I think the belligerence that you're seeing here, the utter defensiveness that you're seeing here. I mean, thank God for that Tribune reporter. Thank God for Times Now actually going down there and checking this out and actually sending visuals back. Because this is a conspiracy of silence. It's a veil of silence. This is a state which has deep-seated patriarchy. I mean, I don't need to go into figures when it comes to gender ratios, when it comes to literacy levels, when it comes to crime against women. It's 73% to 100,000 when it comes to crime against women. I mean, this is a deeply patriarchal state. Also, it's a state where it is institutionalized. And what you find here by this silence and this sort of denial that anything took place at all is a fact that state is really abetting this. You know, there's no other way to say this. They are abetting this kind of crime. And that is what is most disturbing. I think there needs to be a CBI inquiry. I mean, there were women who were hiding inside water tanks, not near water tanks, when other men were in dhabas close by. Why would women feel so threatened that they would need to spend the entire night inside a water tank? Rape is an underreported crime. When you have the state, when you have the police come out and say nothing happened, but if something happened, do come forward. You're already setting the bar.
Exactly.
Because what are you telling a rape survivor? You're telling her, we, the state, don't believe anything happened. But if you come forth now, you will have to prove that it happened. This is diabolical, the kind of language that is being used. And it is completely discouraging of anyone who would want to come forward and report this. And I take strong objection to that kind of messaging going out to people.
No, what horrifies me is the attitude of the police, T.R. Kakkar. Horrifying. Horrifying. And let me tell you why, Mr. T.R. Kakkar. A senior IPS officer dismisses...
Can I come in for 1 minute?
So, senior IPS officer dismisses the allegation that 10 women are gang raped. Arey, afwah hai.
Yes.
Rumor hai. That's his first and last response. Do you think this response...
Jawahar,
do you think this response...
Mr. Jawahar...
Yeah, okay. Ji.
Sir, that IPS officer...
Mr. Jawahar, this is a very serious allegation. Very serious allegation against the state. And I don't think... you should not be defending it in this fashion. The best course for all of you is to immediately either ask for a judicial inquiry or give the case to CBI.
Yeah.
At this stage, I do not see any reason why you should be defending this. This is a very serious allegation, and this allegation must be looked into. Any inquiry by the state police is not going to satisfy either the people or the press. So best is give it to the CBI or appoint a judicial commission. Let them look into it like the way you have done for administrative lapses. You have appointed Mr. Prakash Singh as the judicial commissioner to find out if there were administrative lapses by the civil and by the police. Likewise, appoint a judicial inquiry or give the case to CBI. Don't defend it at this stage. You do not know what has happened. Why are you defending something about which you do not know at all?
When you don't know the facts, Mr. Jawahar Yadav, do you understand? आपको तथ्य मालूम नहीं है. नहीं, 1 second. Jawahar Yadav, please.
Arnavji, 1 second. I need to say one thing.
Yes, Mr. Huda. Yes, Mr. Huda.
Arnavji, this is what I'm saying. If you are in Arnavji, you are such a senior and a role model for the media and journalist guy. Doesn't you found this sounds a irrational kind of a thing? If 10 women are reported and on the 22nd today we are sitting on the 26th. It has not come. It will be a blast in my state. It's a NCR. It would have been the blast. It sounds irrational and it sounds.
Mr. Huda, it is not necessary
from Jat's reservation to somewhere different. The topic has to be diverted
from the trumpet and tell the whole world that they have been raped. But the allegations are there, and the state must come clean on it. And the only way to come clean is to give it to CBI or appoint a judicial inquiry. These are allegations.
But no,
why are you defending something which you don't know?
This is to
hijack. You do not know at all.
This is to divert our agitation.
Mr. Huda, Vasundhara Masudi is responding to you. But I also want to ask you, who are you to decide what is rational and irrational? I can ask you equally, Mr. Huda, that apart from the Haryana DGP, the SP also brushes aside the entire episode saying, kuch nahi hua. I have talked to the people of the area. Logon ne kaha kuch nahi hua. That is rational. You go to a place, arey kuch rape hua, nahi hua. Arey chodiye na, nahi hua. That is called a police investigation. Shame of a police investigation. Usko aap police investigation kehte hain, usko aap rational kehte hain. क्या कह रहे हैं आप? और आप कह रहे हैं इस माहौल में आप कह रहे हैं रेप विक्टिम सामने क्यों नहीं आ रहे? आप इस माहौल में you are saying why are the rape victim not coming out?
But my point is this is to divert our attention from reservation to
this is your problem. This is your problem. This is your problem, Mr. Huda, and Vasundhara Masudi responding.
Look at the High Court's order today.
This is to hijack our reservation agenda.
I am very sorry. No, I am very sorry. I am very sorry. Apologize, Mr. Huda.
See, this is exactly
1 second. Apologize, Mr. Huda, for drawing a link between a political agitation for reservations and the alleged incident of crime against women. आप क्या कह रहे हैं? You're drawing a link between the two? You are saying that anybody is going to get themselves raped?
Exactly where I wanted to come.
Somebody is going to get themselves raped to counter a reservation protest? Absurd. Advaita Kala.
We are requesting.
How can you talk like that?
This is exactly
the language. Something which is unthinkable.
Without the rape allegations
Mr. Huda, you must apologize.
Without the rape allegations either,
You think
they
women will
destroyed
make
public
allegations
property,
that
they indulged in arson. This was political poison. There is enough out there to suggest that the Congress motivated this. This has been politically poisonous for the entire state. Now you have allegations of women having been dragged out of their cars and raped in fields. No one is impressed with the agitation to start with. So let's not be under any illusions. You may have your demands, but in the way that you went about it, the way you went around bullying and looting and creating arson, no one in this country is impressed by that.
Now, I now want to go to Jawahar Yadav and Utsav Bens. Utsav Bens and Jawahar Yadav, we will now have a debate on the facts of the case. And to Jawahar Yadav, my request to you is, and to Utsav Bens, keep your response within 1 minute. Jawahar Yadav ji, आप स्पीच मत दीजिए, आप उत्तर दीजिए, उत्तर को 1 मिनट के भीतर रखिए, दूसरों की बात सुनिए. We will now discuss the facts of the case. First of all, I feel what the police has done is absurd. Absurd. The police says, we have conducted an inquiry on the ground and there is no information of such gang rapes. How is it then, Mr. Jawahar Yadav, that eyewitnesses who spoke to the Haryana police denied there were any rapes, but the eyewitnesses who spoke to the press confirmed there were rapes? How is it that one of the dhaba owners claimed that the women were in a lifeless state when they were found, and the residents of the nearby villages rushed to give them blankets, kambal se unko cover kiya? How is it that the eyewitnesses spoke about being told by the police not to pursue the matter, it will bring them a bad name? ये प्रेस में जो निकल रहा है आप उसको बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि आपके लिए ये जो तथ्य है आपके लिए पॉलिटिकल एडवांटेज नहीं देते हैं आपको. You understand what I'm saying?
मेरा 1 मिनट शुरू हो गया.
या प्लीज, आपका 1 मिनट शुरू हो गया.
1 मिनट शुरू हो गया तो मैं बोलना शुरू करूं?
जी जी, उसके बाद उत्सव बेंस रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे.
हाँ, 1 मिनट के भीतर. हाँ, मेरा 1 मिनट शुरू होता है. एक तो मेरी अर्नव जी आपको सलाह है, आप हमेशा दूसरों को समझाइएगा नहीं. दूसरा जहां तक हरियाणा सरकार का संदर्भ है, महिलाओं का रेशो अगर पूरे हरियाणा में देश में कहीं बढ़ा है तो वो हरियाणा की सरकार में बढ़ा है.
उसका कोई रेलेवेंस नहीं. आगे बढ़िए.
एविडेंस आप बता रहे हैं जहां ये घटना घटी. अब मुझे बोलने दीजिए. अब 1 मिनट ये मेरे आप बीच में मत बोलिएगा. अब जो मैंने कहा ये घटना घटी, जैसे हमारी जानकारी में आई, ये घटी या नहीं घटी, इसके लिए हमने आईजी को लगाया. इसके लिए हमने अलग से एक नंबर जारी किया कि कोई भी अपनी बात कहना चाहता है हेल्पलाइन नंबर पे कह सकता है. हमने 3 पुलिस अधिकारी बैठा दिए, महिला अधिकारी, जो अपनी बात कह सकता है. मेरा 1 मिनट पूरा नहीं, अभी 20 सेकंड रुकिएगा. उसके अलावा हाई कोर्ट से भी यही गाइडलाइन आई कि जिसने अपनी जो बात कहनी है वो जुडिशियल अधिकारी को जाकर कह दे. किसी के पास भी कोई तथ्य है,
जवाहर यादव
घटी होगी तो कोई बचेगा नहीं.
जवाहर यादव, आपका 1 मिनट इधर खत्म हुआ और आपकी 1 मिनट व्यर्थ हो गई, बिकॉज द पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट हैव टेकन कॉग्निजेंस ऑफ द मैटर. उसके बाद आप एक्ट करें.
अरे ये आपके अनुसार
1 मिनट एंड उत्सव बेंस रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे. अभी आपका मौका.
जो आप कहते हैं मुझे सच बोलना है.
अभी आप
कैसे कहते हैं कि मेरा मिनट खराब हो गया? ये आपने कैसे कह दिया?
अभी आप सुनिए.
नहीं, आप ये कैसे करें कि मेरा 1 मिनट खराब हो गया? आप उस पर डिसीजन क्यों दे रहे हैं?
ठीक है,
उस पर आप डिसीजन क्यों दे रहे हैं? आपने सुन लिया, जनता डिसाइड करेगी.
आप अभी उत्सव बेंस से रिस्पॉन्स सुनिए.
आप
डोंट बी अ क्राई बेबी.
आप डिसाइड नहीं करेंगे.
उत्सव बेंस
क्या करते हैं आप?
उत्सव बेंस. Utsav Bens, 1 minute to you. Utsav Bens.
आप होंगे.
1 minute.
आप होंगे.
Arnab, today evening.
आप होंगे.
Utsav Bens.
Arnab, today evening, the Honorable High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the Murthal gang rape. Now I'm going to quote the order today evening given by the Honorable High Court. The judge says, I am pained and flabbergasted to read the news item of Tribune severest act of violence, vandalism, rape, hooliganism, destruction of property, as well as outraging of modesty of women, causing sexual assault to few women who were attacked by 30 goons. Now look at this, what the Honorable High Court observes. The law and order situation in Haryana over the few days is not depleted, but has gone out of control. The mandate of the Constitution of India is being blatantly not adhered to, much less put into action or implemented. Even the Union of India sat as a mute spectator, not exercising the powers under the Constitution. Such a deplorable act of the central and state government cannot escape a judicial review. Now look at the allegations. They threw stones at other vehicles that had arrived in the meantime, forcing occupants to flee. Some women who were left behind were sexually assaulted. Jai Bhagwan, who runs a dhaba on the highway, said 4 young women took refuge inside a water tank near his dhaba. I quote him, "We turned off the lights so not to attract the attention of the goons. The helpless women remained there for hours and only in the day they were escorted out." Several witnesses claimed that the rape victims were persuaded by the senior officers not to pursue the matter on the plea that it would bring them bad name. Now look at more. The BMW of someone known to me was set on fire on National Highway. 3 women of his family were kidnapped and they were raped. They returned home after 7 hours. Their clothes were torn. The women had been kidnapped. They could not. During our visit to several villages, we were told by the residents that they had come to aid of women who was in tatters with 2 terrified children. They all by 8 men. The man was robbed, his wife was raped by the hooligans. Another youth said some goons took the stranded commuters to scheduled areas and the pretext of helping them and raped and molested them. These are allegations against the state government. The state government is trying to threaten the witnesses.
Absolutely.
On day 1, the witnesses tell the Tribune that they have been raped. On day 2, Arnab, the journalists of Tribune are now facing threats. I have been informed by the Tribune that they are being threatened by the police. You expect that they will bring to justice those who raped this woman? Your IG is threatening the dhaba owner. He is threatening the witnesses. You expect justice from them? You expect the witnesses will come to these police officers who told them, "Ab ghar chale jaye." I'm shocked at the state government. We demand a CBI inquiry at the earliest. These are women who were raped in front of their own children by 8 men.
And you know what is said by the police? You expect us to have faith in the police? The police is saying, Jawahar Yadav, the police says, why are there clothes which are strewn on the ground, Advait Akala? Why are there women's clothes which have been strewn on the ground? You know what the police says?
They've already given an explanation, Arnab, even before an investigation.
And you know what the explanation is?
Because while running, they dropped them.
The explanation is when the cars were set on fire, some people removed their clothes.
I have a very simple question. Mr. Goswami, please allow me to intervene.
Yes, please. Vasundhara.
I have a very specific question. Please allow me to intervene. See, whenever there is an information a cognizable offense, you don't require a complainant to come forward for filing a complaint. The police can itself on its own file an FIR and conduct an inquiry against unknown persons. Why in this case the police has been so complacent that it has not taken on its own self to register an FIR?
There is
even the clothes are there, the torn out clothes are there, the media reports are there. What more? What more do they want to register an FIR?
Because there is a conspiracy of silence.
Further, this tragedy, this NH1.
Because there is
a conspiracy of silence, and it also fortifies the fact, Mr. Goswami.
I'm saying this today.
I'm saying this today. This highway, this NH1 incident.
No, because there is a conspiracy of silence.
This highway of tears incident exposes one more fact. That, yes, absolutely, this highway of tears exposes and fortifies one more fact. And the fact is that it is a global tragedy which we have seen in the past. Wherever there has been a conflict, for example, in Bosnia-Herzegovina, in Cuba, in Rwanda, what we have seen in Godhra, in Muzaffarnagar riot, or for that matter in Kashmir, in the northeast, women or the violence against women has always been used as a potential tool to assert a viewpoint, to assert an ideology. because they know what they cannot achieve by weapons or intellect could be done or achieved by sheer violence or an unleashing violence against women, because rape is the most intrusive incident of all of them.
And you said why nobody is saying
Mr.
anything?
Jawahar,
Exactly.
please go back and advise your government to immediately order a judicial inquiry, because the scathing attack that is in remarks that have been made by the High Court, you cannot unwash them. You have to now do something, because any amount of inquiry conducted by your officers is not going to satisfy anybody. So you say that nothing has happened, people say that something has happened. Please hold an inquiry by a judicial officer, not a magisterial inquiry. Not a magisterial inquiry.
Mr. Kakkar, I am shocked. And she said today, why is this happening?
Yes.
Vasundhara, I'll tell you why. Because there's a conspiracy of silence. कि जिसका रेप हो गया, इसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं बोलने की षड्यंत्र है ये, कि इस पे चुप रहिए, ये बड़ा षड्यंत्र है. And I'm telling you, at a time when there are reports of 10 women being allegedly raped, their voices left unheard and suppressed, the state machinery puts all its efforts to keep the rape incident under wraps. Your DGP says there is no rape, there is no victim, and there is no complaint. You tell the DGP, you tell the DGP Jawahar Yadav that in this country, most unfortunately, because of the alleged stigma related to rape, most cases of rape go unreported. So don't say there is no rape, there is no victim, and there is no complaint. 3 years after Nirbhaya, ऐसी बात acceptable नहीं है. और आप अगर चाहते हैं जवाहर यादव कि देश के एक्टिविस्ट और देश की मीडिया इस पे मुहिम करे, तो मुहिम करेंगे लोग, क्योंकि इतने लोग, इतने पत्रकार, इतनी आवाजें गलत नहीं हो सकती हैं. जवाहर यादव, प्लीज.
अब मैं इसका उत्तर दे दूं जी. हाँ, अब इसका उत्तर सुन लीजिएगा.
नो,
मैं किसी आवाज को कम ज्यादा नहीं कर रहा. हम ये कह रहे हैं, अगर अब इसका उत्तर सुनिएगा. देखिए मिस्टर नौ, दिक्कत यह जब मैं बोलता हूं, आप मुझे बताइए 30 सेकंड में, 30 सेकंड में उत्तर दूंगा, परंतु मैं बोलते ही आप बीच में मत आइए. मैं ये कह रहा हूं, किसी भी महिला के साथ रेप तो छोड़िए, अगर कहीं छेड़छाड़ भी हुई है तो ये सरकार छोड़ेगी नहीं.
पुलिस के ऊपर
महिला आयोग इसमें एक्टिव है, कोर्ट इसमें एक्टिव है. अब आप पूरी बात सुन लीजिए, पूरी बात सुन लीजिए प्लीज, प्लीज मेरी बात सुन लीजिए. सुन लीजिए प्लीज मेरी बात.
आयोग होती है,
क्या कह रहा है, पढ़ तो लीजिए. कोर्ट क्या कह रहा है? कोर्ट हैज नो ट्रस्ट ऑन यू.
सोशल वर्कर,
कोर्ट हैज नो ट्रस्ट ऑन यू. रीड टुडेज ऑर्डर ऑफ द ऑनरेबल हाई कोर्ट.
अब सारा मुझे समझाएंगे.
Court has no trust on you, Mr. Jawahar Yadav. Court is saying that you have failed in your constitutional duty. You have failed in your constitutional duty, Mr. Yadav.
कॉन्स्पिरेसी ये है,
जाति आपकी सरकार कर रही है विटनेसेस के साथ. जाति आपकी सरकार केंद्र हुई है महिलाओं के साथ. और अब क्या बातें कर रहे हैं?
नहीं चाहते
हाई कोर्ट को आप पे विश्वास नहीं है कि आप इन्वेस्टिगेशन करेंगे. आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए. 10 महिलाओं के बलात्कार को आप दबाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. आप दबाएंगे महिलाओं को.
कौन सा? ये आप गलत बोल रहे हैं. आप गलत बोल रहे हैं. आप मुझे सुनना नहीं चाहते. जब मैं सही बात पे आता हूं, सारे लोग एक हो जाते हैं. आप चाहते हैं कि सही डिबेट हो. जो व्यक्ति ये कह रहा है, जो ये व्यक्ति कह रहा है कि 10 महिलाओं के साथ रेप हुआ, महिलाओं के साथ रेप हुआ, एक महिला लेके, जिस व्यक्ति को यह पता है कि 10 महिलाओं के साथ रेप हुआ, वो एक महिला को तो लेके आओ मेरे भाई.
ये क्या लॉजिक है? अद्वैता काला will respond to that.
इसका मतलब
अद्वैता काला will respond to that. What do you mean? What do you mean? जवाहर यादव, आप कह रहे हैं जिस महिला के साथ उस जगह में इस तरह का हादसा हुआ, जहां उस महिला को वहां के पुलिस और वहां के सरकारी कर्मचारियों ने कोई सहायता नहीं की, जहां वहां पे वो महिला इस तरह के उत्पीड़न के बाद वहां से महिला वहां से जाए और वापस आए उन्हीं पुलिस अफसरों के पास जिन्होंने उनको 2 दिन पहले कहा आप निकल जाइए इधर से. क्या विश्वास रहेगा उस महिला का? क्या विश्वास रहेगा उस महिला का उस प्रशासन पर? क्या विश्वास रहेगा उस महिला का उस पुलिस कर्मचारी पर? क्या विश्वास रहेगा उस महिला का वहां के लोगों पर?
वो महिला आपके पास तो आ सकती है।
अरे आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
आप सब लोग जागरूक लोग आपके पास तो आ सकती है।
अद्वैता काला विल रिस्पॉन्ड।
आपके पास आ सकती है ना?
अद्वैता काला विल रिस्पॉन्ड।
अपनी बात कर सकती है।
अद्वैता काला
let me
अमृता काला के पास आ जाएगी। वसुंधरा जी के पास आ जाएगी। नहीं, हेल्पलाइन पे आ जाएगी। आप केवल मीडिया हाइप क्रिएट करने के लिए केवल अपना आपके पास आने में क्या दिक्कत? वसुंधरा जी के पास वो आ जाएगी, काला जी के पास आ जाएगी, हेल्पलाइन पे अपनी बात कह सकती है, फोन कर सकती है, आपको फोन कर सकती है कि हरियाणा पुलिस हमारी नहीं सुन रही, सरकार नहीं सुन रही।
This is the most absurd argument I have seen.
ट्रिब्यून की खबर आई।
अरे भाई मिस्टर से समथिंग
को धमका रहे हैं।
आप उस महिला के इंतजार में हैं और आप इसको मीडिया हाइप से जोड़ रहे हैं। इससे ज्यादा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण कोई भी वक्तव्य नहीं दे सकता कि आप इस पूरे हादसे को मीडिया हाइप से जोड़ रहे हैं।
ये मुझे दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण, आपके पास कोई तथ्य नहीं है, यह आपके पास कोई तथ्य नहीं है, आपके पास कोई जानकारी नहीं है, केवल बगैर तथ्यों की बात कर रहे हैं।
हमारे पास आपसे ज्यादा तथ्य है और ज्यादा जानकारी है। और मैं ये भी कहूंगा जवाहर यादव जी, आपसे ज्यादा धैर्य भी है,
किसी महिला को
आपसे ज्यादा धैर्य भी है। आप तो किसी की बात नहीं सुन रहे हैं।
आपके पास
आपसे ज्यादा धैर्य है, धैर्य, पेशेंस। नाउ काम डाउन, नाउ आई से काम डाउन, नाउ आई से काम डाउन मिस्टर जवाहर यादव। आप मेरी बात सुनिए। The fact of the matter is that for a victim to speak out, there has to be a conducive environment.
कोई फैक्ट्स दीजिए आप।
Be quiet. For the victim to speak out. I'll get Utsav on the other side. I am saying tonight, Mr. Jawahar Yadav, Mr. Yadav, you know, problem is, Mr. Yadav, one track mind, you don't listen to anybody else, you just carry on and on. Utsav bans for a victim to speak out, there has to be a conducive environment. Since the police have prejudged the case by saying there was no incident.
और मिस्टर हुड्डा से पूछिए, उनका आंदोलन था। मिस्टर हुड्डा से पूछिए, उनका आंदोलन था।
Stop politicizing it. I don't want to hear the rubbish.
Arnab, I'll just mention 2 points. Arnab, 2 points. Arnab, 2 points.
Yes, Utsav.
Tribune gives a story, names the eyewitnesses. Within 24 hours, all the eyewitnesses turn hostile. Within 24 hours, all the eyewitnesses mentioned by the Tribune are hostile. Today evening, the Tribune informed me that the police officers are now threatening them. I mean, what do you expect from a state government that is not only threatening the eyewitnesses who have gone hostile, but are also threatening the journalists who are breaking this? This is the sad state of affairs in Haryana. The Honorable High Court has no trust and faith. Read, आप आज का ऑर्डर पढ़िए, आप आज का ऑर्डर पढ़िए,
आप लेके आइए, आप किसी को दे दीजिए।
आपके आईजी धमका, आप आज का ऑर्डर पढ़िए, आप हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर पढ़िए।
हम उनको बिल्कुल
हाई कोर्ट पे आप पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है। हाई कोर्ट इज सेइंग दैट यू हैव फेल्ड।
पे तो कह सकते हैं।
हाई कोर्ट इज सेइंग यू हैव फेल्ड इन योर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ड्यूटी मिस्टर जवाहर यादव।
हमें हाई कोर्ट पर ट्रस्ट है।
हेल्पलाइन पे कैसे कहें? वही पुलिस वाले जो उनको कह रहे हैं आप घर भाग जाओ, वो पुलिस वालों के पास आएंगे। हाई कोर्ट को आप पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है। हाई कोर्ट डजंट ट्रस्ट यू।
ये आप प्रूव कीजिए।
हाई कोर्ट को आप पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है। आज का ऑर्डर पढ़े, ऑर्डर पढ़े आज का। हाई कोर्ट इज सेइंग यू हैव फेल्ड। हाई कोर्ट इज सेइंग यू हैव फेल्ड मिस्टर जवाहर यादव।
अरे आप कोई
High Court doesn't trust you at all. High Court has said today evening that you have failed in your constitutional duties.
I think the only way now. One second. You know what people say? You have a DSP Satish Kumar. You have a DSP Satish Kumar. The DSP is asked why are there women's torn clothes all found there on the road. He says women must have been running and their clothes would have been dropped. What rubbish. And you are talking about why women have not come forward. There has to be a conducive environment. The police has prejudged the case. The woman will not feel secure enough to come forward. There's a social taboo on rape. There is police pressure. Nobody will come forward unless you make them feel safe enough to do so. And it is a tragedy if a state government and police don't make rape victims feel safe enough to come back and speak. Now, Mr. Jawahar Yadav, go back and tell Chief Minister Khattar, tell him, stop trying to put pressure on the media. Tell him, Tell Mr. Khattar, no pressure on media, no pressure on activists.
वहां भी नाम देने से मना कर दिया और
and we will investigate this case.
कोर्ट में लेके गए, इन्होंने वहां भी नाम देने से मना कर दिया.
Okay.
कोर्ट ने नाम पूछा,
I thank you.
ने नाम पूछा इन लोगों से.
On the Murthal mystery, it is time that there is a detailed investigation into what happened. We are not prejudging the case, but the state government has no right to prejudge the case either. I thank you all for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.